Okay, good morning everyone. You're welcome to my channel. What we're going to talk about is why you should buy safemoon right now. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you the reason why you should buy safemoon right now. So what you just have to do is stay tuned, watch the video till the end, click subscribe for you to see my latest video on the best cheap coins to buy. So what you're going to do first is, if you look at the graph now for safemoon, you will see something that at this point safemoon got very high, and now if you look at it, it has gone low. So at this point now, many people are buying, and if you look at it with the news we are hearing, many people are buying because safemoon might pump soon. So what you just have to do is, I'm going to show you the steps on how to buy safemoon from PancakeSwap. So what you just have to do is have a Trust Wallet account. You've registered. If you've not registered, you check my video on how to register your Trust Wallet account. So first is, you are going to go to your Trust Wallet app. When you open your Trust Wallet app, what you just have to do is you go to the app. You go to the app, this place. So immediately you go there, make sure you click on PancakeSwap. So that's just what you do. You click on PancakeSwap and wait for it to load. Now when the PancakeSwap is loading, make sure this is in Binance Smart Chain. You get me? If it's not in Binance Smart Chain, what you just have to do is change it to Binance Smart Chain and leave it there, because you are going to be if you swap your coin, after swapping, the fee you are going to pay is going to be under Binance Smart Chain. So what you just have to do is wait for the PancakeSwap.finance to load up. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. It's still loading. It's still loading. So if you notice, it's already loaded. So what I'll do is, that first thing is, you're going to select this, where you select the coin you want to swap for safemoon. So what you just have to do is, you select the coin there that you want to swap for this coin down here. So you're going to swap for this coin down here. So first thing is, I'm swapping BNB for safemoon. So what you just come here. Okay, what you just do is, you just sorry for that delay. What you just do is, you just type in safemoon. If you scroll down, you click on safemoon. I understand, continue. Then after you're done with this, what you just have to do is click on the amount you want to buy. I'm selling all. Then you click. What you just have to do next is just click swap. Once you click swap, then it will take you to a place where you pay a fee for swapping fee. After you are done with the swapping fee, then you are credited with safemoon. So that's just it. And when you go to your account, you'll see your safemoon being credited to your account. So you see your safemoon being credited to your account here. So you see the number of safemoon you have here. So for the latest news, why you should buy safemoon now is because safemoon might be listed on Binance soon, and anything that makes safemoon to be listed on Binance BNB will expand, the price will increase, and also safemoon will pump a lot. So it's better you buy the dip now that safemoon is cheap. You should buy now, you get me? So and make sure you subscribe to this my YouTube channel, and you'll see my latest videos on the cheapest and best coin to buy right now 2021. Thanks and good day.